Dinner is ready. Get your woman that can cook, y'all. We got some cream spinach, a little more cream than spinach, some salmon, y'all, tastes delicious, and some rice, of course. We love rice around here, so yeah. I'm about to fix my husband a plate. That's why I had to literally cook it really early. We are at the house now and on the way to go find my daughter this ponytail piece that I wanted to do for her hair for prom. So I'm going to the beauty supply store to try to see if I can find that. Then I have to find her some stockings that are her color for her photo shoot tomorrow for her recital day. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Hold it. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Nobody move.
Y'all, look at my car. This is terrible. Look at my car, you guys. It looks worse than what happened. So y'all, let me take this moment to tell y'all what happened to my car. We're safe. It was me and my daughter, and y'all, I was pulling out the parking space and I hit a wall. Yes, y'all, a brick wall. So the brick wall was to the right side of my car, and it was a car to the left, so I couldn't make the left turn, so I only could go right. And y'all, I hit that wall so hard. I wasn't even going that fast because I was literally, it happened in the parking lot, so I was pulling out of the parking spot. I had backed into the parking spot, so that was not an issue. It was just I was pulling out to leave and hit the wall. Called my insurance company and stuff, filed a claim, and yeah, the rest is history. I just got a lot of stuff on my plate for next week, so it's like I just feel like it's one thing after another with my car. Because if y'all know, you know. Don't mind the food. But my baby got his haircut today. He got the fresh haircut on deck. Yes. He eating his lunch, y'all.
I got the Pringles.
And then this baby got his haircut today.
Oh.
Hello. You got your fresh haircut too. Let me show them your haircut, baby. Yes, sir. And we got our baker here. All right. Okay y'all, so it's the end of the day and I wanted to recap the day for y'all because I stopped vlogging after I was getting ready to wash my hair, but I pretty much washed my hair, conditioned it with that new shampoo and conditioner, y'all. I love it. And I blow dried it and just braided it back down. Actually, I did not braid it back down. I put it in a ponytail and put some braids up so that I could put this wig back on. And yeah, because I didn't feel like braiding and I was in a hurry. Then we went to church, and after church we came back home. It was late because church was later today. We came back home. I did stop by the place where I had my collision at and took pictures, and then came back home after that. So yeah y'all, so I'm about to clean up and I wanted to end the vlog properly, you know, and tell y'all to hit that subscribe button because I know y'all watching. I can see y'all watching. Why not just join the family and subscribe? Let's go. What are you waiting for? I'll wait till y'all hit that red button down below. But no, in all seriousness y'all, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you made it all the way to the end, and yes y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.